Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, lavidawithkim. And today guys, I have a very much needed unboxing because oh my god, last handbag, the 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, if you saw that one, it was bad, right? Like, it was bad. I'm over it. I actually got a bag that I was eyeballing while I was dealing with all that stuff, and guys, I was like, you know what, I think I deserve it, right? Like, you guys think I deserve it? I deserve it, right?
Because she's the best mom.
Oh, you're so sweet. Ariel right there. She said it's because I'm the best mom. I deserve it. So besides the 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, I'm the best mom. So I need it, you know? So I got the bag, guys. It's here. Oh my gosh. This bag is super cute, guys. I can't wait to see it. I'm loving this bag for like winter time, fall time, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Well, I hope it's cute. I haven't seen it in person, so let's unbox. So I have it right here. This is actually going to be my first handbag purchase from 𝓛𝓲𝓴𝓮. 𝓛𝓲𝓴𝓮. I hope, I don't know if I'm saying it right. 𝓛𝓲𝓴𝓮, right? That's how you say it. 𝓛𝓲𝓴𝓮. Not the typical place I shop at. I don't know, it's just not my type of place, but I came across this bag and I was like, oh my god, she's so cute. So here she is, guys. Handbag, maybe, I don't know. No, you're the cutest. So yeah, but look how they sealed it, guys. Look at the tape. What the heck? I have my commentator over there. Look at that. What is that?
That's messed up.
I have my handy dandy crafty knife to open half of this box that is kind of already opened. I'm so excited, guys. Like, when you open something brand new, you know, that you really want, just the joy that it brings. Oh my god, guys, right? Who can relate? Okay. Okay, they taped it to this thing. Oh, I didn't open that side that was taped. There you go. I'm not gonna blab too much today because, guys, I need a recovery, you know, a handbag unboxing recovery. Here it is, full of bubble wrap, whatever you call this, air bags, I don't know. Oh, here it says it's a 20. So on the website, it actually doesn't give you the sizing, okay? But here on the little like receipt order thing, it says Tabby shoulder bag 20. Here she is. Let's flip her around. Thumbnail. Okay, so here she is. So guys, this is actually my first Tabby. I don't own any Coach Tabbies, guys. This is my first one ever. And that's why I was so hesitant to get it, because like I said, on the website, it did not say what size it was. And I was like, I want the big one. You know, go big, go home. I wanted the big one, and it didn't have the sizing. So I asked like the little like customer service thing on their website, and they told me the size of the 26, because I looked on the Coach website and everything. So I was like, okay, they're telling me it's 26. I still think it's a 20. I asked the Tabby queen, Miss Didi, from Miss Didi Bean. If you for some reason don't know who she is, go check out her channel, guys. She has so many Tabbies. Oh my gosh. So I was like, help me out, okay? Like, I want to see the difference between the 20 and the 26. And she did a whole video for me, guys. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. I'll link it down below if you are wondering, like me, like what's the difference of the sizing. So I was like, you know what? I ordered it. Here she is. Let's see how I like it, you know? Miss Didi did a really good job explaining the sizing, what fits. So I was like, okay, I think she could work. I think she could work. So here she is. So this is actually the Coach Shearling Tabby of this year, guys. Oh my god, she's so cute. As soon as I saw her, I thought like Ugg boots right away. Pair this with some Uggs, guys. I love me some Uggs, okay? Oh my god, she just gave me Uggs like right away. I don't know, that's why I really wanted her. So let's open her. Let's open her because I'm so excited. Oh my god, she's cute. And another reason why I was like, okay, she'll probably work with me is because I'm short, you know. So the bigger size might look too big on me. So I was like, okay, maybe we'll see. So, oh my God. I know. Ariel's like, she gasped. She's like, oh my God. She's like, it's like a little teddy bear, like a little doggy.
Like a little baby.
Oh my God, guys, look at this. Oh, there's like hair everywhere. And I know a lot of people don't like these type of bags because they say they don't age well. I've actually wanted one like a Gucci vibe, like the velvety ones, but I just haven't came across one that I really like. So I was like, you know what, I'll go for this one, the Coach one. She just looks like dropped from heaven, guys. She's perfect. She looks so cute, guys. Just look at the hardware. Oh my gosh, it's like a carpet, like a little puppy right here. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Let me see. No scratches, no scratches. Yeah, she looks good, guys. You know I always get the bad ones, so I had to check, you know. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the back. Look at the bottom. Oh my God. The sides. Oh my gosh, she does have a little tag right here. Let's take this off. Boom. I love that it has a little hook right here to put a charm. We have to add charms. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, let's slowly start taking off the stuff. She is magnetic. Okay. Look at the little magnet right there. It says Coach. So she does have a little good grip, I would say. Let me see. Lies. Am I lying? Hold on. Why is it not going in? Hold on. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, let's see if it goes. I don't want to take off everything because you guys know, like, I'm like paranoid now. How do you do that? Do I have to press it? Okay, so I have to like push it in there. That's why. Guys, this is my first Tabby, like I said. Okay, I don't know much about them. There you go. So yeah, you just have to push it in there. Okay, so it says the Tabby bag right there. Can you guys see that? The Tabby bag. Sorry about the dog, guys. My neighbor just got a new puppy and she barks a lot. So it does have a little magnetic pocket right here, opening. You can hear the magnet. Look at the inside. She's cute. Okay, so first pocket. Cute. And then she has two pockets in here. Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and take all this off. Okay, so look. This is one pocket, another pocket. So, okay, I think she's gonna be fine. I kind of like her size. She's cute. She's classy. There you go. Now she closes better. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. It's like a little puppy. Oh my God. Like, I'm so obsessed right now. Oh my God. So yeah, it has the history tag in there. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. This is like leathery. Beautiful. It does say, what did it say? It said like Shearling, genuine Shearling from Australia. I looked that up, and according to that, I mean, it's like a sheep fur. So yeah, I don't know much about materials. I just see a bag that I like, and I like it, and that's it, you know. So it does have a back pocket as well. And look at that. So she has a lot of compartments, I would say. She has the back one, the two inside here, and then the front one. Cute. Okay, now to see the strap. Ooh. She fits fine. I have fat arms, guys, okay? So yeah, this is a strap. Let me take off all this wrapping real quick. So here she is. Look at that. So this is how the strap looks. And I saw Miss Didi, she wears it like this, right? You can wear it like this, like a like a shoulder bag, or she wore it crossbody. Let me see. So this is how long it is. Ooh. She falls like right above like my hip line. So, I mean, it's alright, I guess. But knowing me, I wouldn't wear this crossbody bag like that. I would wear it, and then like this on my shoulder, and then it falls right to my hip. Actually, perfect. They made this one for short girls. How awesome. Oh my gosh, guys, she is so stinking cute. I love her. She looks like a little puppy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. If I was gonna have any tabby, it would have to be something like this. Like, so cute. She is just so gorgeous, guys. Look at this. And this is why I said this would be like a perfect like winter bag, guys. Imagine it paired with some Uggs. Oh my gosh. You guys know I just wear black. Like, that's all I have basically. With some Uggs, with the interior of this color. Oh my gosh, guys, she's cute. I like her. Yeah, the size works perfect for me. This is currently sold out on the website, but I'm pretty sure they will drop it on Coach pretty soon, so keep an eye out if you are interested. She is so cute, guys. She's so soft. It's like a carpet, like a little puppy, or like, what else, like a little teddy bear. It's just so cute. Oh, I just want to go like this. Oh my gosh, she's just so cute. I really like her. She is a keeper. She does make up for that horrible kiss lock experience. I'm over that. I'm waiting for the black crystal bags, guys, that I think are supposed to come out for the holidays. So we'll keep an eye out for that. But for the meantime, guys, I love this bag. My first tabby. Check. And I love it. I love it. Thank you, Miss Dee from the bottom of my heart, for doing that awesome comparison video. It really did help me a lot. I'm gonna see it from the Tabby Queen, and look at this. I got my first tabby. So, oh my gosh, I love it. She's so cute. I hope she does age well. I'll probably do like a 1 year update maybe or something to see how she aged, or maybe, I don't know, 5-10 year update. I don't know. Will they still be cool in 10 years? I don't know. I don't care. I love it. She is so cute. I wanted a little soft baggie like this. Oh my god. I just want to like go, you know. I want to pet my bag. What? You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Just go ahead, touch it. My son can't help himself. They want to touch the bag.
I want a dog like this one.
We got a dog.
So when we get a dog in real life, I want one like this.
Oh my. So yeah, guys. Oh my god. I love it. I'm so happy with this bag. She is so stinking cute. If they drop a bigger one, I'll be like, oh, you know, there's a bigger one. But she's a perfect size. I think they did well with going with the 20. If this is the only size they drop, she's super cute, guys. Go ahead and grab her. Once they restock, you know, keep an eye on it if you really do want her, because she is so cute. So cute. So I'm happy. I love her. So go ahead and let me know what you think. Leave me a lovely comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos, guys. You know I love to share everything I love with you guys, so stay tuned for more unboxings, more videos to come. You never know what I'm gonna post next. So yeah, guys, oh my god, I'm so happy, so happy. Definitely makes up for that kiss lock experience, guys. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. All right, guys, see you guys on the next one. Bye.